Hey, welcome back to Dream Cars, your ultimate destination for the latest and greatest in the world of automobiles. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting car reviews and updates. Let's dive straight into the stunning 2026 Isuzu Golden Dragon, a heavy-duty truck that's built to impress both on and off the road. This vehicle represents the perfect fusion of power, durability, and design innovation. From the first glance, the Golden Dragon catches your eye with its bold front grille and aggressive stance. The powerful, aerodynamic body lines ensure that not only does it stand out on the road, but it also enhances fuel efficiency and reduces wind drag. The truck's high ground clearance and rugged exterior make it ideal for tough terrains, while the sleek, modern design elements bring a fresh twist to traditional commercial vehicles. Up front, you'll notice the robust LED headlamps and fog lights, offering superior visibility no matter the time of day. Moving to the sides, the well-defined wheel arches and large alloy wheels not only emphasize its powerful presence but also promise excellent off-road capabilities. Now, let's step inside the 2026 Isuzu Golden Dragon. Despite being a heavy-duty truck, the interior is surprisingly spacious and designed for comfort and convenience. The dashboard features a sleek, modern layout, with premium materials used throughout. Up front, the driver's seat is ergonomically designed with adjustable settings, ensuring a comfortable driving experience, whether you're cruising the highways or navigating through rugged paths. The advanced infotainment system comes with a large touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto integration, providing seamless connectivity while you're on the go. With advanced driver assistance features, including lane departure warnings and adaptive cruise control, you can enjoy both safety and convenience on your travels. At the back, the Golden Dragon doesn't fall short. Its durable tailgate and ample cargo space ensure that this truck is as practical as it is stylish. Whether you're hauling heavy loads or heading off on a weekend adventure, the Golden Dragon's truck bed is ready to handle it. The rear lights have been redesigned with LED technology, offering better visibility and a more modern aesthetic. Plus, the vehicle's reinforced towing capabilities make it perfect for transporting trailers, boats, or construction materials. In conclusion, the 2026 Isuzu Golden Dragon is a true powerhouse, offering everything from rugged performance to a refined and comfortable interior. Whether you need it for work or play, this truck is ready for any challenge. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into more specs and features in our next video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Dream Cars for more car reviews, and drop a comment below if you want to see more of the Isuzu Golden Dragon in action. See you next time. Thanks for watching Dream Cars, your one-stop destination for everything cars. The 2026 Isuzu Golden Dragon continues to embody the legacy of durability, strength, and reliability, with enhanced features to meet the demands of both work and leisure. Let's dive into the backside details of this impressive truck. The rear tailgate of the 2026 Isuzu Golden Dragon is engineered to handle tough loads with ease. Made from high-strength materials, it can support heavy-duty cargo and features a reliable locking mechanism for security. The tailgate is designed for easy access, whether you're loading or unloading goods. One of the key highlights of the 2026 Golden Dragon is its spacious truck bed. With ample room, it is perfect for transporting large equipment, goods, or outdoor gear. The bed's robust build is designed to withstand rough conditions, making it ideal for construction, agriculture, or transportation purposes. The rear end of the Golden Dragon is equipped with sleek LED tail lights that provide excellent visibility, ensuring safety during nighttime driving. The modern LED design gives the truck a premium look while enhancing both aesthetics and functionality. The 2026 Isuzu Golden Dragon offers impressive towing capabilities, capable of handling heavy loads. Whether you're towing trailers, boats, or construction materials, the reinforced rear frame and towing hitch ensure that you can confidently tow and haul without compromise. The rear suspension system is optimized for load bearing and stability. Designed to handle tough conditions and maintain a smooth ride, this feature ensures that the Golden Dragon performs reliably even when carrying heavy or uneven cargo. The rear of the truck is equipped with advanced parking sensors and a backup camera, making it easier to reverse and park the vehicle, especially in tight spaces. This adds convenience and enhances safety by providing clear visuals and audible alerts when reversing. For easy access to the cargo bed, the rear step bumper provides a convenient step-up, ensuring that loading and unloading cargo is hassle-free. It also adds to the overall rugged design of the truck. A tailgate assist system is also integrated, allowing you to lower and raise the tailgate effortlessly with controlled ease, preventing any sudden drops when unloading cargo. The 2026 Isuzu Golden Dragon's rear features reflect its durability, practicality, and attention to detail. With an enhanced cargo bed, modern lighting, and superior towing capabilities, the truck is designed to take on any challenge while providing an excellent user experience. Whether it's hauling heavy loads or ensuring easy access to the cargo area, the Golden Dragon continues to impress with its rear-end functionality. Enjoying this video? Please again requested subscribe to our channel Dream Cars. Thank you for watching. Enjoy content.